We got some friends over in our sort of garden, planting some new stuff. Got some pumpkins, dead cherry tree seeds that didn't grow, flowers blooming over there, kind of, they're growing. Little pine tree, little spruce. Got some pretty stuff going out here. Bunch of fucking weeds. I'm gonna get rid of those. But yeah, bush is coming in nice. Everything behind me is coming in kind of nice too. Got some potted plants. Oh, there's a couple visitors. Me and Dracula, the two little kitty tyrants. But yeah, kind of cool. Nature.